Hello my friends, and welcome back to the You Can Do TV channel. In the heart of Olsberg, Germany, the Cineogen 735E begins handling timber with surprising agility. The machine operates with confidence, demonstrating smooth acceleration and high pulling power provided by the electric drive. The first step involves loading timber onto the grab, with each scoop holding up to 3 square meters. Trailer transport follows, carrying up to 3 grabs at once, totaling 12 square meters per load. Uphill gradients of 12% pose no challenge, showcasing the machine's stability and strength. Operators monitor performance closely, noting reduced diesel consumption of around 8 liters per hour. Efficiency and environmental benefits stand out, with noticeably lower carbon dioxide output. The team maintains a steady rhythm while unloading timber at designated areas, ensuring safe and organized stacking. Energy savings and operational ease highlight the advantages of electrified drives in demanding sawmill conditions. Dawn breaks over the Dengask Recyclage Kufalo plant, signaling the start of another busy day handling metals. Incoming ferrous and non-ferrous materials are first categorized with each type routed to its designated processing line. Crushers and shears reduce larger pieces into manageable sizes, while conveyors transport shredded metals toward sorting stations. Operators monitor magnetic separation and eddy current systems, ensuring accurate segregation of metals. Quality checks follow, confirming that processed materials meet recycling standards. Finally, sorted metals are packaged or stored for shipment, completing the cycle. The workflow demonstrates both industrial engineering skill and environmental responsibility, as every step aims to optimize throughput while minimizing waste. Teams express satisfaction seeing the plant run smoothly, proving that methodical coordination and technical know-how can handle large-scale recycling effectively. The Alba B3 compression platform undergoes a series of challenging construction and installation stages, highlighting the engineering expertise behind offshore projects. Even at the early stages, observers were struck by the precision required in positioning large structural modules. The topside is assembled at Harema Zwijndrecht yard, where crews lift and interconnect modules, ensuring all welds and bolted connections conform to specifications. Crew members monitor welding and bolting, checking alignment and structural integrity at every step. The level of coordination between teams is remarkable, reflecting hours of planning and preparation. The topside is then loaded out and prepared for sale to Harema Vlissingen, where it will be integrated with the jacket built at the Vlissingen yard. Loading out requires careful synchronization of cranes, rigging, and timing to ensure safety. Loadout operations demand precise alignment and handling to prevent structural strain. At sea, the Thialf vessel carries the platform to the Gulf of Guinea, with the crew monitoring stability, wind conditions, and balance throughout the journey. Crew members frequently inspect fastenings during transit, ensuring the platform remains secure. Once at the offshore site, installation begins, including positioning the jacket and topside, securing the bridge, and connecting the flare. Engineers supervise each step, noting minimal deviations and smooth operation even under challenging conditions. Each stage illustrates the interplay between advanced engineering design, heavy lift logistics, and the team's expertise. The project highlights how detailed planning transforms complex concepts into tangible structures. The final integration showcases engineering precision and operational excellence working together. It's impressive how planning and execution combine to deliver such a large-scale offshore facility successfully. Edmonton's quiet streets hold the massive splitter, ready for the carefully coordinated move toward the Heartland petrochemical complex. Teams secure its carbon steel structure, ensuring stability for the 140-kilometer journey. Over 800 tons of equipment move slowly along roads, with staging areas checked for clearance and safety. Hydraulic systems adjust supports, while engineers monitor stress points. By the time it reaches HPC, the towering 97-meter structure has endured careful planning and constant vigilance. Each phase highlights the blend of engineering skill and logistical coordination needed for such an extraordinary transport operation. The excitement of seeing this industrial giant move is palpable. The Meisterkran TC50 demonstrates unmatched versatility, seamlessly switching between lifting, transport, and off-road operations with remarkable efficiency. Early in the day, the team prepares the heavy-duty chassis, ensuring the tracked undercarriage is fitted with pads to minimize ground pressure. Operators verify hydraulic circuits and perform system diagnostics, confirming that the crane's multifunctional modes are fully operational. The first task involves the off-road saddle mode, where the crane maneuvers short, tight curves while bearing significant loads. The team comments on the machine's impressive climbing capacity, reaching slopes of 30 degrees with ease. Next, the direct loading mode is initiated. Steel cables extend and retract with controlled precision, lifting heavy concrete segments for the construction of a multi-part rotary concrete mast. The PK53.002 SH loader crane integrates with the TC50, showcasing its ability to handle extreme payloads up to 50 tons. Operators coordinate movements with a Liebherr LTM1130-5.1 telescopic crane and a Scania V8 truck-mounted Palfinger PK200.002 LSH, ensuring synchronized lifts. Each lift is carefully monitored, with the team noting the machine's stability and responsiveness under stress. Engineers emphasize how each control adjustment affects load balance, underlining the system's adaptability. The off-road mobility continues to impress as the TC50 navigates rough paths, demonstrating compact design advantages that allow operation in confined spaces. The tracked system protects sensitive ground surfaces, a critical factor in environmentally conscious construction zones. By the third day, the TC50 has completed several complex lifts and transport maneuvers, illustrating its versatility across different modes. Crew members highlight the smooth operation of the hydraulic systems and the crane's ability to maintain load stability even on steep inclines. Each stage of the operation reinforces the engineering excellence embedded in the TC50, from high mobility and off-road performance to extreme lifting capacity. The combined use of multiple cranes demonstrates the potential for heavy load assembly in challenging construction environments, emphasizing both safety and productivity. Observers leave impressed by the machine's endurance and the skillful orchestration of all components in a single operation. Along the pier, the Huta 909 and Huta 910 sit in anticipation, their structure ready for a major overhaul. The APT Global Vessel Conversion Project begins with a detailed assessment of the Huta 909 and Huta 910 vessels. Engineers and technicians examine structural integrity, weight distribution, and onboard systems before any modifications are made. The first stage involves removing non-essential equipment and preparing the hull for structural alterations. Cranes and lifting systems are employed to handle heavy components safely, while teams coordinate to ensure stability throughout the process. The precision in aligning modules is impressive, showing the crew's experience in handling large-scale conversions. Once the hull is ready, structural reinforcements are added, and modifications to the deck layout begin. Welders and fitters work alongside engineers to ensure all installations meet design specifications and safety standards. The coordination between teams keeps progress steady and reduces potential downtime. Electrical, plumbing, and mechanical systems are updated or rerouted as required, integrating seamlessly into the new configuration. After mechanical and structural adjustments, protective coatings and specialized marine paints are applied across the hull and deck, safeguarding against corrosion and extending service life. The conversion concludes with the vessels ready for deployment, demonstrating how careful engineering, teamwork, and advanced logistics can transform existing ships into fully functional, modernized assets. Morning activity surges at La Sisa, with teams coordinating the movement of heavy materials through the facility. Cranes lift steel coils and heavy bars, while forklifts transport bram, lamir, and tubes to designated areas. Roll trailers and industrial tractors maneuver pallets and trailers, demonstrating the fleet's versatility under high load. Semoventi and reach stackers handle items up to 45 tons, emphasizing the scale of operations. Each vehicle is guided by experienced personnel, reducing potential delays and ensuring safety. Operators check computerized yard systems to confirm accurate storage and tracking. The loading and unloading of mineral and carbon materials proceed methodically, with careful attention to weight distribution and stacking order. Maintenance crews perform quick inspections, keeping equipment ready for continuous operation. The team's dedication to workflow optimization is evident, and the movement of 20 million tons annually underlines the facility's logistical capability. The K100 is the most compact bucket wheel excavator in its class, designed for smaller scale operations. With a theoretical output of 500 cubic meters per hour and an effective output of 200 cubic meters per hour, it features a 100 cubic decimeters bucket volume, 800 millimeters belt width, and a total weight of 74 tons. The 6,000 millimeters bucket wheel boom and 11,000 millimeters loading boom are hydraulically operated. It runs on a 190 kilowatts power system and moves via a crawler undercarriage. Engineered for easy transport, the K100 includes a central lubrication system and standardized parts for ease of maintenance, making it a reliable and efficient solution for compact mining sites. At the West Shore terminals, the newly completed State Route 46 coal stacker readies its first train, hinting at the scale of material it will manage. The newly built State Route 46 stacker reclaimer now begins operating, showing the next stage of expansion at the site. The first impression is the sheer size of the machinery dominating the stockyard. The process begins with rail arrivals. Long trains roll into the facility, their loaded cars ready to unload massive volumes of material. The conveyors then carry coal across the terminal, delivering it toward the State Route 46. Here, stacking begins. The reclaimer's long boom swings across the yard, layering coal into organized piles. Watching dark material cascade from the boom creates a striking visual. These stockpiles act as both storage and preparation for loading. Fully loaded trains, often stretching 152 cars long, are guided into position by indexers strong enough to pull their entire weight. Seeing a single system control that much tonnage feels extraordinary. Once in place, rotary dumpers overturn the cars, sending coal into hoppers that feed long conveyor belts. Below the dumper lies another feature, the ice crusher deck. This platform is designed to break apart ice and snow that may have accumulated within the coal during transport. The sound of crushing material adds another layer of industrial intensity. It ensures that flow remains steady, preventing blockages in winter operations. Finally, when ships arrive at berth 1, the reclaimer shifts into recovery mode. It digs into the piles, returning coal to conveyors that feed the ship loader. Every stage reveals the immense logistics hidden behind global energy supply. It is both functional and impressive at once. Winter operations at airports demand efficiency and reliability, and Over-Asen delivers with advanced snow clearance systems. Runway sweepers, high-capacity snow blowers, and attachment blowers are deployed to manage even heavy snowfall. Operators monitor and adjust machinery via the digital fleet cloud platform, ensuring real-time communication, work progress tracking, and fault reporting. Each machine undergoes rigorous testing in Norwegian winter conditions, demonstrating durability and performance. The ability to adapt quickly to sudden weather changes makes these systems vital for uninterrupted air traffic. Maintenance teams coordinate component replacement and system updates, keeping equipment at peak readiness. Crews emphasize the importance of synchronized teamwork to keep runways open. The integration of technology and heavy machinery highlights both innovation and operational safety, reinforcing trust in winter airport management. The Hitachi ZW310-5A is a high-performance wheel loader engineered for demanding aggregate and quarry operations. Known for its durability and ease of maintenance, the ZW310-5A features a robust American-built engine paired with a smooth shifting transmission for enhanced drivability and reduced operator fatigue. Its responsive hydraulic system ensures efficient bucket control, lifting, and dumping, even under heavy load conditions such as rock, gravel, or overburden. With bucket capacities well suited for high-volume material handling, the machine demonstrates exceptional productivity. Units in the field have exceeded 20,000 hours of operation with minimal downtime, thanks to the availability of spare parts and straightforward servicing. The ZW310-5A's operator cabin is designed for comfort, while its mechanical systems are built to withstand harsh site conditions. It can fully replace older electric-powered machines with improved flexibility and mobility. This model is widely recognized for reliability, ease of training for new operators, and strong performance across diverse applications. Explore Herrenknecht Highlights 2024, where innovation meets underground excellence. From urban transport tunnels to large-scale energy infrastructure, their advanced tunneling and mining technologies are redefining what's possible below ground. With precision engineering and sustainable solutions, they're building the future, one tunnel at a time. The Bagger 293 is the largest land vehicle ever built. Standing 94.5 meters tall and 220 meters long, it weighs a staggering 45,500 tons. Its massive bucket wheel, over 70 feet in diameter, features 20 buckets, each holding 530 cubic feet of material. The machine can excavate 240,000 cubic meters per day, enough to dig a football field-sized hole over 25 meters deep in just 24 hours. It moves on 12 crawler tracks, each the size of a school bus, and costs around $100 million. Designed over 5 years and assembled over 5 more, this engineering marvel requires 5 operators and crawls at just 1/3 mile per hour. For over 40 years, NASA's twin crawler transporters at Kennedy Space Center have hauled Apollo rockets and space shuttles from the vehicle assembly building to the launch pads at Complex 39. Built by Marion Power Shovel in the 1960s, these 6 million-pound giants move up to 18 million pounds, using twin 2,750 horsepower Alco diesel engines powering 1,000 kilowatt generators. With fly-by-wire steering and incredible durability, the crawlers are a testament to brilliant engineering, still reliable after decades. As the shuttle era ends, engineers remain confident these machines are ready for future missions. The crawler's legacy rolls on, one slow, powerful step at a time. Meet the NHH909, the latest Kenworth prime mover designed for heavy haulage and built to conquer the most demanding tasks. It's powered by a Cummins X15 engine rated up to 600 horsepower, 447 kilowatts, and 1,850 pound-feet of torque, supporting a nominal GCM of 97T. Offered in 6x4 or 8x6 drive layouts with enhanced cooling, it's optimized for rugged outback routes. A vital asset for transporting oversized equipment, the NHH909 supports Australia's largest operations with unmatched hauling capability. The West Texas rig pushes boundaries as pipes descend and data emerges from deep beneath the surface. The driller leads, directing the placement of each 35-foot pipe section into the well, while roughnecks support with tongs and rig floor maneuvers. Drilling mud circulates continuously, monitored by engineers to reveal conditions deep underground. Generators power the site, and a diesel engine drives the bit that cuts through sandstone and shale. Once a pipe section is complete, the crew lifts, unscrews, and aligns the next segment, repeating the cycle hundreds of times to reach 100 feet. After drilling, water circulation flushes the hole, and the logging crew installs sensors and probes for computerized analysis. Cement is pumped to secure production casing in place. The seamless operation demonstrates both technical skill and endurance under challenging conditions. Everyone on site shows remarkable focus and coordination throughout the process. Operations at the Asian Bintulu fertilizer plant showcase the integration of advanced bulk handling systems. The ship loader is set to transfer 1,000 tons per hour, efficiently moving fertilizer from the stockyard to awaiting vessels. Simultaneously, the portal reclaimer retrieves material at 600 tons per hour, ensuring continuous supply. Crew members monitor belt conveyors, confirming smooth flow at full capacity. Maintenance checks are performed during brief pauses, safeguarding system reliability. The engineering design allows for optimized load distribution and minimized spillage. It's remarkable how all these machines work in harmony under such demanding conditions. Team members express satisfaction seeing the plant operate at peak efficiency. Each component operates within precise tolerances, demonstrating careful planning and robust design. The project highlights how modernization of existing systems can significantly improve throughput and operational safety, reflecting advanced industrial engineering principles applied in real-world fertilizer production. Efficiency gains are visible at every stage, making the workflow both impressive and inspiring. Engines slow as the Polsteam cargo ship Gardno reaches Port Milwaukee, marking the start of coordinated unloading and loading procedures. Dock workers prepare cranes and conveyors, while crews verify cargo manifests. Bulk materials, including Wisconsin corn, are efficiently transferred to storage areas, with teams ensuring safe handling throughout. Once loading completes, the ship is inspected before departing for its next international journey. The efficiency and organization on display highlight the skill required in maritime logistics. Morning light illuminates Terminal Puerto Rosario, hinting at an innovative grain export ahead with the containerized bulk handling system. Grabs scoop grain into open-top containers at the facility, preparing them for export. Lids are secured before the containers are sent by road to the port. At the dock, the ram revolver spreader lifts the container, removes the lid, and positions it above the ship's hold. The machine's rotation is smooth and controlled. Grain flows steadily as the container tips, ensuring efficient discharge. Viewers can sense the efficiency of this unloading method. It reduces spillage and enhances port cleanliness. Offshore engineering reaches new heights as the Mariner Jacket project prepares to take shape in the North Sea. The 8-legged launch jacket, weighing 400 tons, undergoes initial assembly. Welders repair joints efficiently, achieving exceptional rates with only 0.6% repairs. Modules are positioned, and grouted nodes secure critical connections. Roll-up tests confirm record weights of 500 tons. The crew aligns topside supports for over 50,000 tons, monitoring stability throughout. Once complete, the jacket is prepared for offshore transport, destined for the Mariner field in the UK. Engineers note the scale and coordination involved. The project demonstrates advanced EPC planning, impressive safety, and careful integration of all systems. The 1150 EVO Rock Hog begins excavation, cutting through layers of rock and soil. Operators monitor depth and width for efficient progress. You'll marvel at its raw power. The Wagner new generation log stacker lifts heavy logs steadily, while operators coordinate each movement. Onlookers are struck by how smoothly it handles even the largest timber loads. Energy flows silently through the Joy hybrid diesel LHDs as mining operations prepare for the next haul. Diesel power converts into electric energy, driving wheel motors with force, while excess energy is captured by the Kinetic Energy Storage (KES) unit. Braking and stopping redirect energy back into the system, readying it for the next move. Operators engage the controls effortlessly, combining diesel and stored power to achieve acceleration comparable to 800 horsepower. Ergonomic cabs enhance comfort during long shifts, while reduced diesel consumption and lower emissions improve safety underground. These machines move more tons faster, with fewer stops for fuel or maintenance, demonstrating an engineering leap in mining productivity. The decommissioning of the BP Miller facilities demonstrates large-scale engineering in action. 12 topsides modules totaling 200 tons are lifted by the Saipem S7000 heavy lift vessel. Subsea cutting follows, removing the 500-ton jacket and supporting structures. Crews coordinate complex lifts, monitor stability, and prepare materials for recycling. The giant bucket wheel excavator at Bełchatów, Poland's largest open-pit lignite mine, is a true colossus of engineering. Towering over the landscape, it continuously strips overburden with massive rotating blades, powering one of Europe's most important energy sites through raw strength and relentless efficiency. Crossrail celebrated a milestone as 550-ton TBMs Victoria and Elizabeth were delicately lowered into a 40-meter shaft in East London. Using one of Europe's largest cranes, the lift demanded perfect weather. This marks the start of tunneling on the eastern section of London's transformative new rail line. The massive bucket chain excavator K10000 delivers 10,000 cubic meters per hour output, with a 35 meters cutting height and 70 meters reach. The Liebherr R9800, one of the world's largest mining excavators, represents the pinnacle of heavy-duty performance and engineering. With an operating weight of approximately 800 tons, transporting this behemoth requires meticulous planning. The machine is disassembled into major components, such as the upper carriage, undercarriage, boom, and bucket, and shipped via multiple oversized loads by truck on the site location. Once on site, skilled technicians begin the complex assembly process, which can take several weeks. Heavy cranes and specialized lifting equipment are used to maneuver and fit the parts precisely. After assembly, the machine undergoes rigorous testing to ensure structural integrity, hydraulic performance, and system functionality. Powered by two Cummins or MTU diesel engines, totaling up to 4,000 horsepower, the R9800 delivers unmatched digging force and loading capabilities. It typically pairs with Ultraclass mining trucks, like the Liebherr T284, for efficient overburden and ore removal in large-scale operations. Inside the cab, operators benefit from advanced control systems, ergonomic design, and real-time data monitoring for optimized performance and safety. Whether working in iron ore, coal, or copper mines, the R9800 is built to withstand extreme conditions and deliver continuous productivity. National Heavy Haulage, NHH, part of the National Group, delivered 5 Ultraclass Liebherr R9800C dump trucks to BHP's Peak Downs mine in central Queensland. Each truck weighs over 600 tons loaded, with a payload capacity of 363 tons and is powered by a 3,650 horsepower diesel engine. Police escorts and road closures were required for 5 separate trips from Mackay during trip. The BELAZ 75710 is the world's biggest dump truck, built in Belarus by a company with over 65 years of engineering heritage. With a payload capacity of 360 metric tons, this mining giant is designed to handle the harshest environments, operating in over 70 countries, and now available in Australia as mine-ready. BELAZ's cutting-edge manufacturing facility employs over 13,000 people and utilizes advanced 3D modeling, robotics, and CNC technology to ensure precision and quality. Over 95% of BELAZ trucks operate in severe mining and geological conditions, demanding the highest quality standards, including compliance with STB, ISO 9129, and ISO 9128. The BELAZ 75710 features a powerful 2,610 to 2,800 kilowatts electronically controlled engine for high power density, speed, and fuel efficiency. It incorporates an advanced hydraulic system with a 2-stage telescopic body lift, a CAC drive, traction alternator, and planetary gear reduction units. Safety is paramount. The 75710 includes ISO-compliant service, parking, retarding, and emergency braking systems. Operator comfort is enhanced with a modern, ergonomic cabin and diagnostic displays. With unmatched payload capacity, robust engineering, and support from Australian Pacific Engineering Group and Sharps, the BELAZ 75710 is truly the global benchmark in ultra-class haul truck performance. Dyson Memo Spreader Tripper Car is a vital component in overburden handling, efficiently distributing materials across the dumping area in Thailand's Memo lignite mining operation. The Dyson Memo bucket wheel excavator is a colossal mining machine operating at Thailand's largest open-pit lignite mine. Designed for continuous overburden removal, it features a rotating wheel fitted with buckets that efficiently scoop and transfer material to conveyors, streamlining high-volume earth-moving operations. The DB Series trailer transports the Sandvik Pantera drill with ease and precision. Designed for off-road mining logistics, this rugged combo ensures safe, efficient relocation of drilling rigs across tough terrains and remote exploration sites. The Sleipner E-Series dollies transform excavator mobility, replacing slow tramming with a smooth ride on rubber wheels. Boost productivity, cut carbon dioxide emissions, and keep your machines digging. Reduce excavator travel time by up to 85%, maximize uptime, minimize wear, and lead the way in efficient mining operations. The UGE 300 is a 300-ton hydraulic mining excavator equipped with a 16 cubic meters front shovel bucket designed for tough overburden removal. Shown here working in the pit, it efficiently loads BELAZ haul trucks with precision and power. Its robust working equipment, featuring high-performance hydraulic cylinders and a sturdy rotating platform, ensures smooth operation even under extreme conditions. Built for open-pit mining, the UGE 300 combines massive breakout force with durable construction, making it ideal for high-volume earth-moving tasks. Whether in overburden stripping or material loading, this hydraulic excavator delivers consistent productivity shift after shift. What an request your shift. Pavlik gold mine is one of the largest gold producers in Russia's Far East. Since operations began, it has produced over 45 tons of gold, including 7 tons in 2021 alone. The mine operates open-pit methods with reserves totaling 149 tons. Blasting is conducted every 3 to 4 days, moving 100,000 to 150,000 cubic meters of rock, yielding 40,000 to 60,000 tons of ore. Massive electric excavators and 190-ton haul trucks handle over 16,000 tons of ore daily. The gold processing plant has a current annual capacity of 5.5 million tons. The Sleipner E-Series transport system is purpose-built for moving hydraulic excavators weighing up to 550 tons. With a top speed of 15 kilometers per hour, it enables safe and efficient relocation across mining and heavy-duty work sites, even through tight curves and gradients of up to 15%. Designed for global use, it performs reliably from sub-zero temperatures to extreme heat. The patented system integrates seamlessly with existing dump trucks and eliminates the need for tramming, reducing track wear and downtime. Its smooth ride and simple operation make it an ideal solution for sites demanding high mobility. Whether it's long-distance moves or quick relocations, the Sleipner E-Series transforms excavator transport, fast, flexible, and field-proven. National Group operates a vast fleet of heavy-duty mining equipment, purpose-built for large-scale operations. This includes Ultraclass hydraulic excavators, high-horsepower dozers, CAT 793 and 797 haul trucks, drills, and support machinery. These powerful machines ensure maximum productivity, reliability, and performance across some of the world's most demanding mine sites. Engineered for versatility and strength, the Membre's transport and crane hire tilt slide by Drake Trailers is the ultimate solution for demanding freight tasks. Constructed from high-tensile quenched and tempered steel sourced from Australia, Japan, and Sweden, this trailer combines durability with intelligent design. Available in 3x4 and 4x4 axle configurations, it features industry-leading suspension systems, axle lift for tire changes, and EBS with roll stability and ABS for enhanced safety. With capacities from 25 to 40 tons, it extends over 20 meters and accommodates a wide range of freight, from buses to low-height machinery. The 50-feet extendable deck widening super tilt includes hydraulic tilt and slide, radio remote control operation, 3 20,000-pound winches, ramp extensions, and deck widening up to 3.2 meters. Designed and made in Australia, this trailer reflects over 50 years of engineering excellence, built to perform in the harshest conditions. Whether moving buses, plant, or oversized loads, Drake Trailers sets the benchmark for reliability and innovation in transport logistics. This time-lapse captures Crawler Transporter 2, making its slow, powerful journey from NASA's Vehicle Assembly Building to Launchpad 39A. The move tests recent upgrades, ensuring it can support future heavy-lift missions like the Space Launch System. A symbol of engineering might, it carries the future of space exploration one step closer to launch. The Laterno L2350, the world's largest wheel loader, operates at Trapper Coal Mine with unmatched power and capacity, efficiently moving massive volumes of overburden and coal daily. The Hitachi EX2500 sits atop Sleipner's transport system, wheeled units designed for hydraulic excavators. Working in tandem with dump trucks, this setup enables rapid relocation of the excavator within the same mine or between different sites, boosting mobility, saving time, and maximizing productivity across operations. The Sleipner E50 dollies, paired with the John Deere 350 excavator, deliver rapid, smooth transport across mining sites. By reducing tramming time, this system boosts productivity, lowers fuel consumption, and keeps your machine focused on what it does best: digging, not driving. The drop deck mid-tilt, paired with a lead trailer, forms a smart combo. Featuring a custom hydraulic tilt deck, it eliminates pull-out ramps and flip-downs, ensuring safer, faster loading while maximizing full deck space. Built tough by the Drake Group for serious efficiency. The CAT 966G wheel loader, equipped with a Dixie stick rake and ripper, is built for tough land clearing and site preparation tasks. The stick rake efficiently removes roots and debris, while the ripper breaks up hard ground. This powerful combination boosts productivity in forestry, construction, and agricultural applications. The SW300 swing wheel low loader features a streamlined open/close procedure for safe and efficient operations. Designed for heavy haulage, its hydraulically controlled swing axles allow smooth lowering and lifting during loading and unloading. The wide, stable platform ensures safe machine access, while the user-friendly control system simplifies operation. Ideal for transporting large mining or construction equipment with minimal setup time and maximum safety. The Kalmar DRG 450-65C5XS is a heavy-duty reach stacker engineered to lift up to 45 tons at a 930 mm load center. With a maximum lifting height of 18.3 meters and a horizontal reach of 4.7 meters, it's ideal for stacking heavy containers. The machine weighs around 83.5 t, spans 3.03 meters in width, and reaches 3.75 meters in height. It travels at 22 kilometers per hour loaded, or 26 kilometers per hour unloaded. Precision steering and robust design make it a dependable asset in demanding port and terminal operations. Big Musky was the largest walking dragline ever built, a true titan of mining history. Standing 222 feet tall and stretching longer than 1.5 football fields, it was powered by hydraulic walking shoes and featured a 220 cubic yard bucket, enough to fit 2 Greyhound buses. Built by Bucyrus in 1969 to strip overburden in coal mining, it rivaled Marion's 15,000-ton Captain Shovel. Despite their size and power, both machines were eventually retired, Big Musky in 1999 due to environmental regulations, marking the end of an epic engineering era. From the driver's seat of a Kalmar reach stacker, handling a container at a busy yard feels smooth and controlled. The elevated, spacious cabin offers excellent visibility over the entire work area. With responsive joystick controls and an intuitive display, positioning the container becomes precise and efficient. The powerful hydraulic system lifts effortlessly, even with heavy loads. As the stacker moves, its stability and traction over uneven ground instill confidence. Rear-view cameras and advanced safety features enhance situational awareness. For the operator, The Kalmar Reach Stacker turns a demanding job into a streamlined, productive, and comfortable experience, even during long shifts. The CAT 6090 fluorine monosulfide SN 40014 is a colossal front shovel excavator designed for extreme mining operations. Weighing over 1,000 tons and powered by dual CAT C175-16 engines, delivering a combined 4,500 HP, this beast is built to move massive amounts of material with precision and efficiency. Its 52 cubic meters bucket capacity makes it ideal for loading ultra-class haul trucks like the CAT 793 or 794 in just a few passes. Serial number 40014 represents one of the latest iterations, featuring upgraded hydraulics, reinforced structures, and improved operator comfort through an advanced cabin and ergonomic controls. Designed for 24/7 operation in harsh environments, the 6090 FS boasts exceptional reliability, minimal downtime, and powerful digging forces to keep production high. Whether deployed in coal, copper, or iron ore mines, this machine is a cornerstone of high-volume operations, where performance and uptime are critical to success. The Volvo EC480 is a 50-ton class hydraulic excavator built for heavy-duty earth-moving and quarry work. With its powerful D13 engine and advanced hydraulic system, it delivers exceptional digging force, fuel efficiency, and operator comfort. Its reinforced undercarriage and robust boom design ensure long-lasting durability, even in tough conditions. Smart features like Volvo's Eco Mode and load-sensing hydraulics boost productivity while reducing operating costs. Whether in mining, road building, or material handling, the EC480 gets the job done, reliably and efficiently. Ferrovial leads a landmark logistics operation, transporting the massive Komatsu 4800 XPC shovel to Minera Escondida. This modern mining marvel is disassembled into oversized components: crawler frame, 160T, counterweight, 200T, boom assembly, 280T, revolving frame, 200T, rear roof house, 35T, and dipper body. Each module is loaded onto specialized trailers, ready to traverse the 138 kilometers route from port to mine. The operation demands precision, timing, and teamwork as roads transform into stages where engineering mastery unfolds. This isn't just a move, it's a statement of innovation, ambition, and Ferrovial's capability to overcome any challenge in extreme conditions. At journey's end, the 4800 XPC will soon power the heart of Escondida. The Komatsu HM300-5 articulated dump truck delivers exceptional performance and durability in tough job site conditions. Powered by a 248 kilowatts, 332 HP engine, it boasts a 28-ton payload and 17.1 cubic meters heaped body capacity. Advanced features like Komatsu Traction Control System, KTCS, selectable working modes, and hydro-pneumatic suspension ensure optimal handling and traction. The Komatsu Space Cab, with ROPS/FOPS, rear-view camera, and eco-guidance system, enhances operator safety and efficiency. With the Komatsu K-Atomics transmission and optional tailgate, this truck offers smooth shifting and excellent material retention. From rugged terrain to steep inclines, the HM300-5 is built to perform reliably, efficiently, and comfortably. Ferrovial is breaking barriers and paving the way to gender equity with its groundbreaking training program for women truck drivers. From Santiago to Iquique, these trailblazing women are mastering heavy vehicle operations, challenging stereotypes, and leading with purpose. Through expert training, road safety skills, and a shared passion, they're transforming the transport industry, 1 kilometer at a time. With determination and the right support, they're not just driving trucks, they're driving change. Join them on this empowering journey toward leadership, inclusion, and a future where women lead the way in special cargo transport. The Komatsu L2350 is the world's largest wheel loader, built for large-scale mining and quarry operations. It features a unique hybrid drive system with electric motors on each wheel, which act as generators to recover energy during braking. This system improves fuel efficiency by up to 45% and reduces carbon dioxide emissions by 35%. With a massive bucket capacity of over 40 cubic meters and an engine output of 2,300 HP, the L2350 delivers unmatched productivity and performance in extreme environments. The DMW 220 cut-and-brake demolition system is engineered for high-performance precision in demanding environments. Equipped with dual cutter wheels and a 220 kilowatts rated power, it tackles reinforced concrete and rock up to 120 megapascals. With cutting depths up to 550 millimeters and torque reaching 47,000 Newton meters, it's ideal for controlled demolition. Fritz Kroon Transport undertakes a demanding haul, moving a massive crusher to the mountainous terrain of Lesotho. Navigating steep gradients and narrow passes, the team ensures safe, precise delivery. This heavy-duty operation highlights their expertise in cross-border logistics and commitment to delivering oversized mining equipment where it's needed, no matter how remote or rugged. As of August 2023, Eurasia Group became a resident of the Amur Tor Zone, launching a logistics terminal project near the international bridge between Russia and China. The facility will feature advanced container handling. The notchbox blade is a heavy-duty grading blade designed for leveling and smoothing soil. Its robust construction makes it ideal for tough ground conditions, ensuring consistent grading performance in agricultural, landscaping, and construction applications. Built for durability, it handles demanding leveling tasks with ease. The Panther Series 280 to 130-ton low loaders are engineered in Bunbury with OEM components, delivering exceptional reliability for mine and construction sites. Designed for safe, unassisted loading, the shallow ramp-to-deck angle provides seamless access for dozers, excavators, and drill rigs. No earth or timber ramps needed. With a rotating rear axle system, wet disc brakes, and electronic proportional braking, stability and control are guaranteed across varied terrain. Full deck ground contact ensures total stability, while an intelligent control system, featuring touchscreen operation, remote access, and OEM integration, supports data logging and future autonomous use. Built for efficiency, mobility, and operator safety. Supercar teams are rarely seen on mine sites, but National Group and its partner Mobil 1 Mega Racing brought high-speed thrills to BHP Mitsubishi Alliance's Peak Downs operation in Queensland. The visit highlighted National Group's growing presence, including deliveries of Ultraclass T282C trucks and large excavators. The Hitachi EX2500 is an ultra-class hydraulic excavator powered by a 1,044 kilowatts, 1,400 horsepower. Cummins engine paired with the Sleipner transport system enables rapid relocation across mining sites. Mounted on Sleipner's wheel dollies, the excavator moves efficiently without track wear. This combination boosts productivity, reduces carbon dioxide emissions, and minimizes downtime during interpit or in-pit transfers. The TSA 165 Balatrice moves into position, ready to form a 30 centimeters high balatura. Hydraulic arms extend, shaping the mixture while conveyor belts feed material steadily. Sensors monitor thickness and consistency, ensuring uniform output. An operator adjusts controls in real time, fine-tuning pressure and speed. Each formed balatura reflects both machine efficiency and skilled guidance. The K2 Diamond PLD steel cutting blade spins into action, its densely packed diamond grid slicing through steel with remarkable strength. Operators guide the material steadily, while the blade's single-layer bonding ensures consistent, clean cuts, enhancing both efficiency and reliability. The Taylor TS9972 reach stacker operates with the Winkle coil handling attachment, lifting heavy coils with ease. Its smooth motions and stable grip demonstrate impressive control, allowing efficient handling across multiple rail configurations. On Norway's Bratsberg-Banen, the BELAZ 5012 roars to life, ready to carve clear paths through thick winter snow. The BELAZ 5012 clears snow by spinning its large blower blades, which cut through packed snow while hydraulic controls adjust the chute direction. The TC100 and TC50 heavy-duty transport crawlers prepare for another day of demanding operations. Operators inspect tracks and hydraulic systems, ensuring all components are fully operational. The TC100 begins lifting oversized loads, demonstrating its off-road stability and load-bearing capacity. Meanwhile, the TC50 maneuvers in tighter spaces, showing compact design advantages. Each movement is calculated, with crew members monitoring weight distribution and machine response. Observers note the remarkable control and reliability under challenging terrain. These machines illustrate advanced engineering in heavy-load transport.